In this video, I'm going to go over units and unit conversion. I will also show you a way of reasoning in unit conversion. Hi, this is Sean Huang from the physics department. Unit conversion is a basic task that we often have to do in science. It would be nice if there is a robust approach to unit conversion so that we can focus on the theory and principles in physics. In physics, 99% of the time you'll be using the SI system for units. For length, the unit is meter, for mass, kilogram, and for time, second. Sometimes these units are either too big or too small, and we need to find a way to adapt. For example, the distance between two cities are often measured in kilometers, while the technologies for making computer chips are described in nanometers. You will find the prefixes kilo, which is 10 to the power of third, and nano, which is 10 to the power negative 9 in table 1.2. Now, I bet you don't know the distance between Springfield and St. Louis in kilometers. Well, neither do I, but that's okay, as we can convert from one to the other. From Google Maps, you can see that the distance is 215 miles. From the end of your ebook, you can find a table of conversion factors, from which you can see that 1 kilometer is equal to 0.6214 mile. In other words, it takes 0.6214 mile to make 1 kilometer. So 215 miles will be equal to take 215 divided by 0.6214, and that'll be equal to 346 kilometers. In the same way, we can convert from meters to feet. For example, in example number 1 of chapter 1, we are asked to express 979 meters in feet. Since it takes 0.3048 meter to make 1 foot, 979 meters will be equal to take 979 divided by 0.3048, and that will be 3,212 feet. In both cases, you will need how many in your current unit is equal to 1 in your target unit. This is known as a conversion factor. We will then take your current value and divide it by the conversion factor. This procedure is actually very similar to what you might do when baking a cake. For example, if a recipe calls for 6 eggs, since it takes 12 eggs to make 1 dozen, 6 eggs will be equal to take 6 divided by 12, and that will be 1/2 of a dozen. Isn't that right? So, back in example number 1, we will say, given 979 meters, since it takes 0.3048 meters to make 1 foot, 979 meters will be equal to take 979 divided by 0.3048, and that again will be equal to 3,212 feet. In this video, we covered the mechanics of unit conversion, and we came up with a procedure to help make the process easier. Look forward to an example where such a procedure will make the conversion easy.